Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at supermicrocomputer, and from the beginning we formed a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and then another 1 2 and yet another 1 2, and now we are either tracking the third wave in yellow that is not yet complete and we need a fourth and a fifth to actually complete it up here, or we would be tracking the fourth wave in white after we already completed the third wave. We would have the fourth and the fifth to still take us higher. Now in both cases we are looking for a wave 4 and for a reaction somewhere in the support zone. At the moment we only have the yellow support zone on the chart, and I do actually want to slightly change the structure here. I think it looks a bit better this way, meaning I would also adjust the support zone. But yeah, overall nothing has changed regarding that. I just had a fresh look at it, and I think this might fit better the structure that we are currently having on the chart. Regardless, here we are tracking the fourth wave either in white or in yellow. And in this fourth wave, we have two scenarios and a third that would could fit within either of the two scenarios that I mentioned. So the first two scenarios are the completion of the fourth wave here. So either of the fourth wave could have completed here, and we would now go directly higher in the fifth wave. And that would be valid within the green count anyway. The green count is valid in either case. Or we could have the orange scenario, in which we completed a wave A down, a wave B up, and then we are looking for a wave C to the downside. It is also possible that the B wave is extending, and then the green count would also be valid. But we do have the support zone, or sorry, the resistance zone in orange that would indicate that it is either extending and resetting the B wave, or it is getting broken completely and we are moving directly higher in the fifth wave. Now, within this supposed orange scenario, we would be tracking a wave 1 down in wave C, a wave 2 up, then third down, and then we would of course look for the fourth and the fifth if we get them. But at the moment we have just probably completed the wave 2 in the orange scenario case, and then we also need to track, also notice we haven't broken above the wave 4, the orange scenario resistance here at the 78.6% retracement at around $54.8. That is completely held, and yeah, the resistance zone forced a reaction to the downside. And yeah, also we have the green scenario, in which we are tracking a larger A, B, C that could start off as a diagonal for a larger move to the upside, or just a larger ABC rather, or it could be the reset of the B wave. Now it is also possible that in the green scenario we are going directly lower before we still complete the ABC. That is a bit tricky, meaning that we could get really only another wave down, and maybe we would think that okay, we broke the support zone for the green scenario, we broke the green scenario. But that's not really the case here, because the green scenario, the green B wave here, could reset down here, and then we would see new local lows, but we wouldn't see the fourth and the fifth down here, and then we would see more direct upside, and it could be even in an impulse. Okay, so yeah, at the moment we are tracking the levels here on the shorter time frame, and in this case those are the orange resistance zone that I mentioned and the green support zone that now needs adjusting since we formed an additional high since the last video. So the new green support zone for a possible wave 4 is between $46.7 down to around $39.6. So yeah, I would look in this area for an entry if I am looking for one. I wouldn't necessarily be too greedy and enter at the top of the resistance. That's not ideal, let's say. And yeah, this structure in 3 waves looks quite complete for a 5-wave move in the 3rd wave, or the C wave in the orange case, with a 1 up, a wave 2, a wave 3 up, and then a 4th, and then in the 5th wave we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, it would be a nested 5-wave move within the 3rd wave in this case. Regardless, we are looking at the moment for lower, especially based on the latest price action. So these are the levels, this is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.